Hey, it's AP, and today we're reviewing the Basecamp dust mask, which is different than the other review I did about a couple months ago. So my friends over at Basecamp loved my review so much the last time that they asked me to do another review for their Basecamp dust mask with active carbon filters. Now the last one I reviewed was just a basic cloth mask that you could wear in public to protect you from the virus while you're grocery shopping. You could also use it in your shop, which I actually have been doing for the past couple of months now, and it's great. But then they sent me these, and they asked me to review them. So here I am giving you my unfettered review of the Basecamp dust mask. Dust mask. If you say that really fast, it sounds weird. Dust mask. Dust mask, okay. So what's different about these ones than the cloth ones? Well, the cloth ones were just plain cloth. They were spannable over the entire face. They're really great. These ones are made specifically for the shop though. They have these vents on the outside, and on the inside you have a carbon filter to actually filter all the dust. It's actually very breathable, and these are replaceable. These simply, it says open, so I'm going to open it so I can turn it. This pops off, and then I can replace it. And you actually get in the package several replacements, which is really cool. I think I just dropped something. Thing there. So let's just put that back on, and then we will continue this. I've had masks like this in the past, and I will say I hated swapping out the filters because they were very complicated. These actually aren't that bad. There we go. Cover that, and then you just kind of pop it on. There we go. Very easy. Okay, and now it's tight on there. So you can replace these. So let's open the bag. So in the bag, you actually get, its filtration efficiency is 99% if you're into that. So in the bag, you actually get 2 of these awesome dust masks. So one for you and one for your shop buddy. You get a pack of 1, 2, 4, it looks like 6. 6 filter replacements. This is enough to last you quite a while, depending on how often that you're using these. There's actually a lot of stuff in here. Okay. So we have that. We have the masks. We're going to get to these in a second. These are the vent covers. You have a little instruction manual. Looks like a replacement strap. I don't know what that is. Okay. More covers and another strap. Let's see what the instructions tell me what that thing is. So, oh. Okay, gang. This actually is kind of like a elastic strap, and it's to help you upgrade your fit experience. Is that in focus? How's that? Is that better? Can you guys see that? So see where that blue line is? That's the thing I have in my hand. I don't know if I'm going to put that on though. So, okay. So, going back to the vents, I'm going to put this one back. Now, I didn't know this because I live in New Jersey, and I don't think we have this here. But apparently there, in some locales, if you have these particular masks with the vent, with the louvers on them, so you can breathe better, they ask you to cover those up. And so our friends over at Basecamp actually solved that problem by that's not it. By making these. which are the vent covers with no vents. No vents. Yeah. And so you simply just take these ones off and replace them with the covered ones, and then you are in compliance if your locale asks you to do stuff like that. So, but mine doesn't. At least I don't think it does. If they do, and someone is watching, let me know so I can do this correctly. Although I don't think I'll wear these out. I'll just wear them in the shop, and I'll wear my cloth ones out and about. So they go on like a regular mask. They're a little different. I have not seen masks like this where you have kind of like an ear hole and then these strap behind. So these go over your ears like so. And then we got a nice tight fit. These are great. They are full coverage from the bottom of my chin to the bridge of my nose. This here is adjustable, so I can, if you have a big schnoz, you can adjust that. I'm breathing just fine in it. It's very nice. All right, look at this. All right, and it's easy to take off and put back on without having to take off the entire thing. Yeah, it's very comfortable. It's nice. All right, I'm gonna go chop up some things, sand some stuff, and see how it reacts with all that. So let's, you know what I'm gonna say, let's get dirty. Yes. All right, well, this was actually not that bad at all. It had a very nice, snug fit to it. There was no way dust was actually getting into this. I really do like the carbon filter. I think that helps out a lot. And it is super cool that you can swap these covers out so you can completely cover them and go walk about and do your grocery shopping and all that fun stuff. So I do recommend these. I'm going to use these as long as I can, which will probably be a long time, right? Don't forget, in the package, you do get the 2 masks. You get about 6 carbon filters. You get the covers for your vents. You can't go wrong, and the price is right. There is a link in the description below, so make sure you pick up a pair today. And before you head out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss all the cool stuff that I'm doing. It's not just product reviews. I'm also making furniture and doing home improvement products and building models and props and cosplay stuff. I'm a veritable who's who of maker centricity here. I don't even know if that's a thing. All right, folks, until next time, stop planning and start making. Thanks, everybody.